Good morning, children. We are going to studying about the class 5th EVS chapter number 3 from testing to digesting. From testing to digesting. The first term is given here, that is testing. Testing means test. In this our sense organ, we have 5 sense organ. In that one sense organ is that tongue involved to taste the food items, and we can know about the taste is by this taste organ, that is tongue. Tongue used to taste the different tests. From the test book, there is given an activity related to the test organ. Test is from Jhumpa and Jhulan. Jhumpa and Jhulan test the 4 basic tests that are sour, bitter, sweet and salty. 4 basic tests are: number 1, sweet, that we can get from the sweet things. Another one, that is bitter. We get the taste bitter from the bitter gourd. When we eat bitter gourd, someone else is not like bitter gourd, and I think you also not like bitter gourd, and the taste of that bitter gourd is bitter. Another one, the taste is salty. Most of the taste which is related to the salty. And another one, that is sour. Sour means the lemon have sour taste. Orange have also sour taste. And many things are sour taste. And for all these 4 basic tastes, our tongue have different reason in our tongue. First one we see in this picture, in upper side of this tongue, that is which can recognize or we can taste bitter taste. Another one in that opposite side, that is tip of the tongue, that is sweet taste. Another, the side, upper side of the tongue, that is sour taste, which are given in green color. Another one in lower side, that is given in blue color, are salty taste. These are the 4 reasons for the basic taste can be sensed by our tongue. For testing this test, we have the test word. Just you see here, some tiny points are given in this tongue picture. These are called tiny bump, that are test word, which can sense the tastes and send the messages to our mind to recognize the test bud. What we call it? Test bud. From both picture we can know that about the test and test reason and test bud of our tongue. This is related to the terminology testing. Now another term is digesting. What is digesting? Digesting means digestion. Digesting, the terminology digesting, that means digestion, and our organ, our internal organ that is involved to the digestion of our food. Digestion means the splitting of food items. The splitting of food item into a small particle, and that organ which is involved to digest the food is called digestive system. Just we come to know What do you mean by digestive system? This is the digestive system. The digestion of the food is involved from the mouth. In this mouth there is given teeth which used to split the food item into small particle. Another one, that is saliva, the water-like material that is found in our mouth. When we come to know that some tasty food item is in front of our mouth is just what fill of water, and that water is not just only water, that is saliva. What we call it? Saliva. And that is secreted by the salivary gland that is given in this picture. So the two things which involve to digest the food in our mouth, one is teeth, another one is saliva. When the food item that is split into small particle, then that goes to the stomach with the help of esophagus. The esophagus expand and shrink. It's also help to digest the food. Another one, when the food item goes into the stomach, there is some juicy material secreted in the gallbladder by the liver and the pancreas, which secreted on the stomach, and that involved to digest the food. When the food is digested, that goes to the small intestine with the path of duodenum. What is that? Duodenum. Duodenum, where from the duodenum it goes to the small intestine. There the food almost digested and absorbed by the some arteries, or arteries are given, that is we called it villi. In higher classes you study about that one. The food item absorbed from the small intestine, and from this it goes to the large intestine. After that it comes the waste food, which will not be important for our body, that is stored in a rectum, and then it goes out by the anus. This is the digestive system. This is our food part. We come to know from this picture. Digestion means the splitting of food items into small particles. As we know that digestion means splitting of food items into small particles. We know that how to digest the food in our body, and which sense or which organ is used to digest the food, and these organs combined together and called it digestive system. Okay. Another thing is given in your textbook, that is glucose trip. What do you mean by glucose trip? Glucose trip means someone else is suffering from loose motion and vomiting, as from the book, and girl Neetu, which is suffering from vomiting and loose motion. The doctor gave her glucose trip. Glucose trip? What do you mean by glucose trip? Glucose trip means the glucose, which is the instant source of energy in our body. Glucose is nothing but a carbohydrate. What do you mean by carbohydrate? The food items which we eat, what purpose? First, to getting energy. Another one, for getting combat from diseases, and for growth of our body. And these are called food component, and this is food component. and that are carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, minerals, rough phase, and water is also essential for our body. We must drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day, and these are called food component. These 6 food components are very essential for the body. If we not be get these food component in a particular amount, then we suffering from diseases, and the deficiency of these food components are called malnutrition diseases or deficiency diseases. Just to see in this picture, there are two children. One is Rashmi, which are 5-year-old, and she looks about 3-year-old. She has very thin arms and legs and a pot belly stomach like a balloon. She often falls sick and she always feels tired and cannot go to school regularly. She does not have the strength even to play. This is because of the deficiency of food item, that is carbohydrate. By the deficiency of carbohydrate, she is suffering from a disease that is called marasmus, and the Rasmi is suffering from marasmus disease. Another one, the Kailas. He is 7-year-old. He looks older than his age. His body is fat and flappy. He has pain in his legs. He is not very active. He goes to school by bus and spends many hours watching TV. He is suffering from the disease called kwashiorkor. Both are deficiency of carbohydrate disease. Okay. This is Gomti, which is lives in Kalahandi district, and there is a big drought. Because of that, she not get proper food, and her husband is also die by the hunger, and she is also suffering from deficiency diseases, and that is called malnutrition, and her children also suffering from deficiency diseases, that is also malnutritious. Deficiency diseases, just we see from the picture Kailash and Rashmi, carbohydrate deficiency diseases are marasmus and kwashiorkor, and vitamin C deficiency disease is scurvy. Another one, vitamin D. Vitamin D we get from the sunlight. We should take sun bath every day for 10 to 20 minutes, and it is very essential for our body, which provide us vitamin D, and that is ricket. Vitamin C we get from the salt things, and carbohydrate we get from the grains, and protein we get from the pulses, milk, egg, meat, all those. Okay. From the book, there is given about the experiment of Dr. Beaumont on Martin's stomach. He come to know that how the food digests in our body and which things are involved to digest the food. He do many experiments and he come to know that some digestive juices are involved to digest the food. Another one, the food digests inside the body is more quicker than outside the body when we take the digestive juices from our stomach. And another one, what is that? The raw material take more time to digest than the cooked material. All those we know from the Dr. Beaumont's experiment, and you also read this thoroughly to come to know about how he do the experiment and how he come to know about the digestion. Okay? In your book, that is given the sign of hunger. If someone feel hungry, then how they react? Every people react differently. First one given here that when I am hungry, my headaches. It means if someone feel hungry, he feel headache. He or she feel headache. Another one, someone get angry. Someone feel tired. Someone just like baby cries when he or she feel hungry. And we think about the animals, they also cry or shout loudly. Okay? Now, the sign of hunger, that are someone feels headache, someone get angry, baby cry, someone feel tired, someone else have stomachache. These are the sign of hunger. Okay? What do you know from all the video? First, test different basic test. The test region of the tongue, digestive system, sign of hunger, food component, deficiency diseases, and we should eat proper food other than eating junk food. What are junk food? Junk food just like noodle, Maggi, pizza, burger, all those. We should eat healthy food, stay healthy, stay at home, and make our nation healthy. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you all of you.